This clean 1969 Camaro came to the V8 Speed Resto Shop after a complete cosmetic restoration, but the owner wanted more from the driving performance of the car. It's powered by a 396 Chevy V8 backed by a Muncie 4-speed manual transmission, but it was out of tune and it had some transmission issues, and on top of that, the suspension was loose and it didn't stop very well. The solution to these ailments was a trip to our shop for some upgrades that enhanced the performance of the car without detracting from its original appearance. First up was a conversion to Holley electronic fuel injection. This involved installing a purpose-built fuel tank with an internal high-pressure pump and adding a throttle body containing the fuel injectors to the original intake manifold. The system will provide quicker starts, increased throttle response, and will continuously improve its tune over time. The rear gear set originally was a lazy 278:1 ratio when the car arrived. These are great for highway cruising, but the owner wanted snappier acceleration, so we swapped in a set of 342:1 gears and a TrueTrack limited slip differential. The suspension was next to upgrade. The front springs were so shot that they had spacers installed to restore the ride height. And this definitely doesn't fly around here. So we removed the worn out stock control arms, springs, and shocks and replaced them with some tubular arms from Global West. And these are not only stronger, but they improve the handling with their Del Alume bushings. Coilover shocks were installed for better road feel and a certain degree of adjustability, and a larger sway bar tops off the front, and matched Global West leaf springs and Bilstein shocks were installed in the rear. Next up was the addition of Wilwood Disc Brakes at all four corners, and these are actuated by a Hydratec HydraBoost hydraulic brake booster, which provides a smooth and powerful clamp force for better braking performance. The Wilwood system chosen fits in the original 14-inch wheels. The Muncie transmission was grinding and leaking, so our team rebuilt the 4-speed gearbox and reinstalled it, and then set a proper adjustment on the clutch pedal and the shifting linkages. Inside the car, a tilt steering column was added for more driver comfort, along with a set of 3-point seat belts for safety. The car received some detail and paint work, but the exterior and interior appearance remain as stock, except for the addition of 17x8-inch YearOne Rally Wheels and sticky Nitto NT555 G2 tires. And the result is a familiar face with an entirely new personality. The Camaro is quicker thanks to the gears and handles 100 times better with the new upgraded suspension. The 396 was hiding its potential behind a poorly tuned carburetor and those highway gears. Overall, it's a much better car to drive and retains the classic frost green 69 Camaro SS look that the owner loves. What is your classic or muscle car need? You can contact us at v8speedshop.com to find out more today.